Welcome back, guys. Today I want to do some shout music. See, yesterday I didn't do a song release like I normally do. My daughter released a song, and I'll leave a link to that so you can check out the song she wrote. And so I promoted on my channel her song that she released yesterday instead of doing one myself. So I thought, well, I still got to do a tutorial. Why not just jam a little bit and show you guys how to do some shout music? And you can do this in pretty much any key once you learn this pattern, and you can do that. So let's get to it. So when we look at this, we're going to play, let's say, a G minor 7. We're going to play it with the 7th at the bottom. That's a root, first inversion, second inversion, third inversion. So just remember, you're going to play a G minor chord in the root position, but then add that 7th at the bottom. So the chords are going to be G minor 7th. Then you're going to take the F or that 7th and drop it a half step to whatever that is, which in this case is going to be an E. And instead of playing the G, now we're going to play the 4th, which is a C. So we're going G. Now what we're doing here is playing a C9. So we're playing a 1 minor 7, a 4 9th, 1 minor 7, 4 9th. And you can basically just do that and let the bass player do what they want. Now, you can go up to C. Let's do C minor. We're going, I'm sorry, I did a 2 there. So let me play like I normally would here. C minor with the 7 added. So I went from the C to its 4. And I dropped the 7th down a half step. Playing an F9, C minor 9, F9, or C minor 7, F9, C minor 7, F9. Do it in A minor. There's an A minor 7th. The D is my 4. So you could just basically play that and let the bass player have their way. The cool thing is, there's a bass line that if your bass player plays it, you definitely don't have to. But if you don't have a bass player, you can play this lick, and it really is awesome. And you can play this in any of those keys I just showed you. I'm going to show you in C minor. So the lick goes like this. Your left hand is going to go. I'm going to do the 1 minor 7, then over 2, over 3 flat, over 3. Now I'm doing 4, 9, over 6, over 7 flat, over 7, 1 minor 7, over 6, over 7 flat, over 7. what you want to do is practice this in your left hand and get good at it, because playing that, you can break that up and do whatever you want between those two chords and add that in your right hand as you're able to. But your left hand needs to be able to do this chord, this pattern, if you want to do it. Now we can do this in F minor. So you can do that and get really, really fast at it. It's like I said, I was doing the 2 there, but you can do that too. Sometimes I add that 2 because I like that 2 sound. Now, like I said, you're doing the 1, 2, 3 flat, 3, 4, 6, 7 flat, 7, 1. Let's go to E flat minor. Flat, 3, 4, 6, 7 flat, 7. So if you learn that pattern, you can do that in any key. Let's do D minor. Come out of it, go to that 5. Same way with the B flat. And then I like to sometimes end it by doing that same pattern by going 3, 4, 4, sharp, 5, 4. And then just end it like that. I sometimes do that. 3, 4, 4 sharp, 5. And that's a cool way to end coming out of that jam as well. Well, there you have it, guys. Now you can jam and shout in pretty much any key. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And until next time, guys, God bless. God bless.